Well, walk hand in hand in balance, respect for nature, for the land and water. Take what you need, not and that's it, and leave the rest so it can regenerate itself. Giving back to the land to not abuse it. It's like the comment I've always made was that the environment is 100% owner of the economy, and people need to embrace that. And I get it. Like, we can't move off oil and gas tomorrow morning. Like, we all drive cars and we get that. But we have to consciously think about and have a plan as we move off our dependency on fossil fuels. And we have to lower our greenhouse gas emissions and our carbon footprint, not only in Canada, but globally. Like, we're all in this together as human beings. This should be a global movement. And that's respecting the land and the water. That's what it's all about. Saving something and thinking about 7 generations down the road is important for us. And I know we're going to get backlash from people in Alberta and Ontario, and the world wants all the natural resource wealth in Canada. You need to involve Indigenous peoples around those decision-making tables so you find the balance between the environment and the economy, so that you have respect for the land and the water, so that you don't hurt things. That's about giving back. Embracing concepts like nature capital. Like, you can value leaving that forest standing as opposed to cutting it down and making paper out of it. Nature capital, nature finance. It's a concept that people should embrace, and that's important. Get familiar with the Sustainable Markets Initiative that King Charles has initiated, trying to involve the private sector, to get them engaged and motivated, through the Sustainable Markets Initiative. One sector can't deal with climate change and lowering carbon footprints alone. You need the private sector, you need the public sector, all governments, and you need the philanthropic sector working together. That's what it's all about.